A very good day to one and all watching this. My name is Deepak, and the company that I've chosen for this term's PBT assignment is none other than ABC Dental, a company that I've worked for previously. I am aware of the problems, and with the respective tools, they can be tackled. And I am in touch with the management as well, so hopefully they do consider these solutions. So, one of the main problems I have diagnosed is that the doctor's schedules are very dynamic due to the nature of the industry. There are three branches, and on the same day, a specific doctor might be at station at one center in the first half of the day and another center in the second half of the day. And these schedules keep changing depending on the appointments, and on a daily basis, the receptionist enters the schedule manually on WhatsApp in the official group. And most often doctors don't see the schedule due to spam and other messages, and there have been instances where doctors have been in the wrong center because of this. So that is one issue. And the second issue is, as I mentioned earlier, there are three branches, and the operating system that they use is Practo. And Practo allows you to view the scheduled appointments for a specific branch at a time. So a specific doctor, he cannot see all the appointments he has for the day, but only for all the appointments he has on that particular day in that particular center. So the solution that I came up with is to design a mobile application where they know where they're going to be on that specific day. The backend team keeps updating it on a daily basis, and they can also do a query to see how many appointments they have at which center. And the patient information and the appointment information will also be available, not just for that particular center, but for that particular day across all centers. And as an additional feature, there will also be a tab to check the reviews so they can know how well they're doing. For this report, I've used two databases and transaction tables. One consists of the day of the week, followed by the center, the department, and making sure that a member of a department is found in every center. And a transaction goes doctor-wise, spread across all days with the two phases as well. And we also have the appointment details with the name of the patient, the doctor, the department, and the concern. And we have a query to navigate doctor-wise as well. So this is the first page, also known as the menu page, which allows doctors to navigate across the different sheets with their respective functions. So the first page that we'll be talking about is this week's schedule. This displays an entire table which has respective doctors and where they would be on a specific day of the week and the specific time as well. So as mentioned earlier, there will be two slots. So for example, Dr. Akshay would be in Koramangala on Monday for the first and the second half, and Dr. Sanjay would be at Indiranagar in the first half and at Horden Road on the second. And there is an option to print this in case doctors would like to have this pasted on the wall so they can look at it while at the clinic. So a PDF is generated and this can be printed as well. And there's also an option to call the reception in case of any disputes. So on the mobile app, once this is clicked, it goes directly to the reception number. Back to the menu. The second page that we'll be talking about is to check doctor's availability. This would be for receptionists while scheduling appointments. According to the weekly schedule, this is displayed. So if I want to query for Dr. Jayashri on, let's say, Friday first half, so this mentions that she has two appointments and will be at the Koramangala branch. This can go back to the menu, and that brings us to the third sheet, which shows us the appointment details. So as mentioned earlier, Practo has the ability to show up for different branches, but this is a consolidated form. So we're going to do a query for Dr. Jayashri. So this is for today, which will be updated every day. So considering that today is a Monday, so she has two appointments, a Ms. Kanmani and a Mr. Kunji Babu at Koramangala and at Horden, with the respective time, the concern, veneer prep, crown impressions, etc. And this can also be printed as shown earlier. Moving on, we're going to the last sheet, which is the latest reviews. So this will be updated on a weekly basis. So it involves the most recent reviews on Google. So there's one by Mr. Deepak, one by Mr. Nasi, and you can also go to the live reviews in case somebody has just checked into the clinic and has put a review. It will take you directly to the page where the reviews will